Hi guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Gawa ulit tayo ng scrunchie or kuyud. Simple one. Okay, and as usual, paikutan po natin itong elastic. Plastic. Itong elastic na ito. Paikutan natin. Let's crochet. Let's learn simple ones because we are not master yet. Okay, like that. And then make it like that all around until here, hanggang dito. Paikutan yan hanggang dyan. Yan, let's connect na. Tama na yan. Kukonect na po tayo dun sa first na dun tayo magkukonect po. Ayan. Ayan, naging ganyan na siya. Ayan. Nagte-turn. Ayan. Pero maayos yan mamaya. Ayan, maglalagay tayo ng isa pa. Isa. Pero para tataas siya ng konti. Yun. Yung lahat ng lahat doon, yung mga ganyan, isa-isa. Yun, one by one. And then yun. Yun. Kaya ganon, lalagyan natin hanggang sa makarating ulit dito. Paikutan yan hanggang dyan. Ito na siya. Ayan, malapit na po tayo dito. Meron pang isa. One, and then connect. Connect. Diretso. Now, gawa tayo ng 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Kawit. Dito. And 1, 2, 3. 1 chain. Kawit. 1. Magluloop tayo ng 5. 2. 2. 3, 4, 5. Then do it like that. 1 chain. Then kawit. Go to the next one. Yung next chain. The next. Then ganyan siya. Then kawit, 1 chain, kawit. Let's make loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 loop again. Then diretso 1. Then kawit, go to the next chain there sa baba, yung sumunod ayan, magiging ganyan yan. And then 1 chain. Kung anong position yung gusto nyong mas easier yung paglulop. 3, 4, 5. Yun yung gagawin nyo. Then, kawit. 1. Sa susunod ulit. Ganon. Kawit. Ako kasi mas prepare ko yung ganyan. Yung ganyan. Okay din naman yung ganyan. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Then do it like that, like that. 1, 1. Susunod. Hindi maganda. Okay, 1 chain and then like that. Loop again, loop. And then repeat the procedure. Repeat the procedure until you got there, here, until here. We're almost there. Last na to. This is the last one. Then 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Then do it straight like that. And then do like that. Then we will connect it here na. Ito yung ano natin, chain natin kanina. So 1, 2, 3. Diyan tayo magko-connect. Yan. Magko-connect tayo dyan, like that. And then go straight. Ayan. Then ganyan. Ay, isa pang chain. Okay, and then last. Ayan, para mag-lock na. Ayan. And the outcome is like this. Ayan, like that. This one, we will keep it at the back. Ilalagay natin dyan sa likod. Pag may needle kayo, mas easier. But since I don't have needle, so I'll do it like this. And then just keep it at the back. Because I always forgot to buy needle. Nakakalimutan po natin yung needle natin. So, magaganyan tayo sa likod. Okay. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. And let's cut it like that. And so, here is our scrunchie or weird. But yun, nakikita naman. Ayan siya. And thanks for watching.